I want to show you one.
No.
Come here.
Daddy will go with you.
I'm going with you.
Will.
Come with me. No, can you come with me? Don't. Why are you scared? You're with me. No, it's not that.
Hunter, I'm filming you. Remember all the big boys on film?
Take some candy.
Back up, homie. Back up, homie.
That would be awesome to get and have.
Yeah, that would be funny.
There's a force of pure evil here on this earth.
There's nothing in it.
Oh, God.
Oh, you got nails? I'll groom them for you. Stop moving. Stop moving. I'm trying to groom them. Stop moving. Let's go to Jaws. I love Jaws. I love that one.
I'm not going.
Hunter hates them all.
Okay, Hunter, for somebody that really wanted to come
That
here.
watches it all the time.
Yeah, and you want to come
You're
here, you're not
awful
doing
scared.
What?
Well, we're not going to bring you back if you don't want to do it. Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Come on in, Lisa. Done. There's his tail. Watch out, he's coming. He's coming.
Come on.
Come at me, homie. You wanna fight? Hunter, look. Right over here. Oh.
Surprise. Look.
Look. There he is. Dad, now you gotta bring him down here. Bring him down here. Show him the screen.
You're scared?
I don't want to see that one.
See, it's glass. See? Oh, look. Watch. Watch.
Oh, there it goes.
There he goes, he's coming. Watch, Hunter. Look. What's gonna happen?
I don't think it is.
Yes, it is. Watch. Watch. Dad, where are you going? Dad's gonna miss it again. Alright.
No, I think you have to go by the sensor. Oh.